Welkom terug en is nou tyd vir 'n bietjie musiek. Gisteroggend het ons gering ching ching en vanoggend is ons, want ons gaan nou luister na DJ Elster met sy amptelike remix van die Spoegwolf liedjie Kloetiswil. Baie welkom. Goeiemôre, awesome. Good morning.
Baie dankie. Good
morning.
morning.
Jy is maar gewoond om later in die aand besig te wees, né? Nou het ons jou so vroeg wakker gemaak.
It was an early one for me.
We're very glad you made it though. That's a great remix.
And I hope everybody's awake right now.
Totally.
Sure they
completely.
Are. But listen, Spoegwolf isn't one of the artists that you think of a remix.
Ja.
Yeah, the name Spoegwolf. Hulle musiek is mos maar die musiek wat Spoegwolf voor bekend is. Hoe het jy by die song uitgekom?
It's a cool story. 3 years ago, my wife took me to my first Afrikaans concert, and it was a Francois van Cooke concert, and I loved the energy. I just felt like Afrikaans just brings a whole other dynamic, the words, and there's a real art behind it. So I've been making English music for the last 10 years. Went to that concert. Straight after that concert, I realized, all right, I need to change my focus. Then that same December holiday in Mossel Bay, went to go see Spoegwolf. I remember it was in Hartenbos. The sun was going down. It was extremely magical. And then I went home and immediately started working on Spoegwolf remixes. And I was fortunate enough to go to another concert with Donnie and them, and they basically walked up to us, into us next to the stage by chance, and I'd actually finished a remix a day before, so it was kind of like magical, just walked into me and it was like, hey, please have a listen to this. He took my phone, put it against his ear. It was very loud, it was a festival. And he said, take my email and send it to me on Monday. Monday, I sent it to him. It was 5 minutes later, he sent back an email saying, awesome, I'm playing it in my car, maak meer. And then I did, and that was it.
Yeah, and that's what you want really as a DJ, is to get the artist's stamp of approval so that you can make stuff that's in line with what they would make if they were in that genre, right?
Yeah, exactly. So to your point there, I don't change any of Donnie's vocals. I try and keep it as plain, as simple as I can, but I also want to bring a dance element. You know, I try to bring something new to the stage.
The incredible thing for me is the different vibe a song brings, you know, the remix. Jy luister na die song in sy oorspronklike vorm en dan skielik maak hy 'n deur op vir mense wat dalk nie aanvanklike groot Spoegwolf fans was of enige kunstenaar. Maar met dit, ek wil dis Bless me.
Bless you, Pieter.
Ja, so lekker dat ek gedans. Alles is los.
Awesome.
Where can people follow you and find all of the remixes that you've been doing, Elster?
Yeah, so the name Elster, E-L-S-T-E-R, on social media. You can just go and check me out there. I'm on like everything, TikTok and Facebook, so just find me there.
Amazing. We can't wait to listen to more. Thank you so much.
Goeiemôre, good morning, Elster remix.
Yes, we do.
Good morning.
We do.
Definitely.
Lekker. Thank you for being here. Dit was baie lekker. Kollegas, uiteindelik kan ons almal om die bank sit en vir die Suid-Afrika groet en sê ons is môreoggend weer terug. Wat 'n lekker show was dit nie. Hoop jy het 'n lekker dag. Dankie van ons kant af. Môreoggend klokslag om 6:00 is ons weer terug. Net hier op Via. Lekker dag vir jou. Maak ek wil nou nog wiki.